Hey guys, Alicia here, and once again, if you've been following my channel, I am all about making a passive income online and also showing you the fundamentals of what you need to do. If you did not watch my video on how to make a watercolor blob, I will link that in the description below. Now I want to show you what you can do with that watercolor blob, and you can create printables to sell on Etsy. Is what I love so much about printables is that you can make a design one time and you can sell it over and over again. So I'm going to show you first what we need to do with the watercolor blob. We need to make it a transparent background. Okay, so this is the watercolor blob that I made, and I am taking out the background. So with one click of a button, it turns it into a transparent background. So we're going to click apply. Okay, and then now we're going to save our image. We're going to save as a PNG, and it throws it down here in the bottom left-hand corner. So I'm going to rename it basically. And it takes sometimes just a second for this to pull up. Sometimes they pull right up and sometimes they take a little bit longer. So we are going, here's our watercolor blob. And it's just a basic watercolor blob. You can do a lot more with it or add more colors if you want. So we are going to save as. And I just put watercolor.png. And I'm going to save that to my desktop. So we did save that. So now we're going to hop over to iPicky.com, and if you've also watched my videos, I use this site a whole lot. I am going to start showing you how to do a lot of things in Canva. Canva is a great site to use as well, and I really like to teach people how to use things where it costs very little money or no money at all. I love iPicky a lot because it is completely free to use. So we're going to click on Create a Design. And it's going to default to this sort of like a square shape, and we're going to change the canvas size. So I'm going to select New. And we're going to select, I'm going to make an 8 by 10, which is pretty much a standard size for that. Now we need to upload our photo of the watercolor blob, and we need to do the PNG. So I'm basically going to drag this over here. And sort of get this centered. Okay, so here is our watercolor blob, and now I'm going to go where I'm adding some text. And I like to do the text separately, just because, well, if you were, I'm going to type like a boss, okay? Or actually I'm going to type like a girl boss. But if I were to type it like that, it would put those too close together. So I'm going to just kind of do that. Also, if you click here on local, all the fonts that you have ever uploaded, they're going to show up over here. So I'm going to go down to my Melina font or Magnolia Sky. I'm not sure. Let's see here. think I'm going to use Magnolia Sky. Okay. So here is our first letter, and we're just going to make this kind of much bigger. And sometimes with these fonts, it does not want to do that. It'll take it right back there. There's a way around that, and you can just kind of go like this. And now we're going to do that again. I mean, you can just kind of play around with this a little bit. And I'm going to go back here in a minute and I'm going to fix this once we get everything we want on here. Okay. Okay, so you can also change the color of the text if you would like. I kind of like it black for this printable, but you can change the color. I'll kind of show you an example of like what you could do. You could actually do something like in pink if you wanted to, but I am actually just going to keep this black. And now we just want to save this image, and it is an 8x10 printable. And then I'm going to save it to my computer. You can save it wherever you like. If you have a folder, which I highly recommend keeping things all in one place. So you can just do that. So that is how simple and easy that is to do. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos that I will be uploading about passive income, and also I've got some Canva tutorials coming up soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone had a great day.